The Philippine Navy, PN, eyes to acquire 8 Israeli Shipyard Ltd Shaldag-class patrol boats to replace the PKMs it is using for maritime interdiction operations. PKM is short for Patrol Killer Medium, a term used to describe medium-sized naval craft tasked for patrol missions. In an interview with reporters on Wednesday night, PN Flag Officer in Command Vice Admiral Robert Empedrad said this procurement project, which is worth 10 billion Philippine pesos, was already approved by President Rodrigo R Duterte during a recent command conference. These 8 Shaldags will replace our PKMs, which were acquired from South Korea in 1995, which we are now starting to retire. The last PKM we retired was PKM 112, BRP Bienvenido Salting, Empedrad said. He added that 4 of the Shaldag patrol boats will be built in Israel while the remaining 4 will be constructed in the PN Cavite Naval Yard in Sangley Point, Cavite City. The PN chief said they are waiting for the Department of Budget and Management to release the so-called multi-year obligational authority so that they can sign the contract for the ships. Once this is signed, immediately, we send our personnel to the shipyard to Israel, Empedrad added. The Shaldag is under the PN's Fast Attack Interdictor Craft Missile, PKM, project. Under this program, 4 of the ships will be armed with non-line-of-sight, NLOS, missiles with pinpoint accuracy and a range of 25 kilometers. With the PKM, the PN shall have the capability to defend the key sea lines of communications, such as Mindoro, Balabac, Cebu and Basilan Straits against conventional threats. Operating in restricted waters, the PKMs can interdict surface threats and launch NLOS missiles safely using the surrounding littoral areas as maneuver space and cover, then PN spokesperson, Captain Jonathan Zada said of the project. Source: na.gov.ph. Thank you for watching my channel. This video is just an illustration. I hope you can understand it. Thank you, my friend.